Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's we are reading about Table in Word 2016 Chapter 2 Class 5 Computer Subject. First of all, we are reading about some question. I mean to say I will solve some question in book. Let's start. Now, A. Tick the correct option. First, the option to create a table is present under dash tab. Answer, Insert tab. Second, dash refers to dividing one cell in a table into two or more cells. Answer, splitting. Third, a dash is horizontal and vertical arrangement text. Answer is column. 4. The intersection of a row and a column in a table is called a answer is table. 5. Dash allows us to quickly apply a style to an entire table. Answer, table style. B. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. First, resizing a table means to increase and decrease the size of the table. Second, merging refers to combining of two or more cells. Third, options for inserting rows and columns are available on Design tab. 4. Table styles are available under Layout tab on the ribbon. 5. Delete rows option in use to delete rows from table. C question. Answer the following question. This question is I will solve this question in notebook. Table in Word 2016. First, what is cell? Answer. The intersection of a row and a column in a table is called a cell. Second, what do you mean by table styles? Answer. A table style is a collection of table formatting attributes such as table border and row and column strokes that can be applied in a single step. Third, what is shading in table? Answer. Adding shading to a table can help make certain rows, column or cell or the entire table stand out in your documents. 4. Write the step to add a row in the table. Answer is step 1. Select the row of the table where you want to add another row. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Choose Insert Above or Insert Below command. 5. Describe any one method to add table in your documents. Answer is step 1. Open the Word and click on the Insert tab. Second, click on the Table command in the Tables group. Third, move the mouse over the squares to select columns and rows for the table. When you move the mouse over the squares, a sample table is visible in the documents. Click on the squares up to which you want to create the table. The table will be inserted in the documents. 6th question. Write the step involved in merging two cell. Answer. The step involved in merging two cell are: step 1. Select the cell to be merged. Step 2. Click on a layout. Step 3. Click on the merge cell command. 7th question. What is the difference between splitting and merging cell in a table? Answer: splitting cell. Splitting refers to dividing one cell into two or more cell. Merging cell. Merging refers to combining two or more cell in the same row or same column into a single cell. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. After that I will solve. What are some question in book? What are these icons used for in Word 2016? Delete, insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. Okay. After that I will solve periodic test assignment 1. First, name the machines associated with the following scientists in the field of computer. First, Charles Babbage, analytical engineer. John Mauchly, UNIVAC. Third, Blaise Pascaline adding machine. 4, Hermann Hollerith, tabulating machine. 5, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, step Rockner. B. Write the name of the group and the tab in which the following options of word are present. Option: group tab. Option: table, group tables, tab insert. Table columns, white, cell size layout. Autofit, cell size layout. Merge cell, merge layout. Table styles designs. Fill in the blanks. First, UNIVAC was invented by John Mauchly and Presper Eckert. Second, the option to apply table styles is present under Home tab. Third, merge command is used to combine the two or more cells. 4, ENIAC and UNIVAC were used in the first generation of computers. 5. ENIAC is the first electronic general computer. D. Identify the given pictures and write their names. First, Pascaline transistor vacuum tube. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. And periodic text assignment 1. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.